Tawang is the land of the rising sun. Tawang offers bountiful of adventure. The terrain is challenging. The rude roads which are there. The weather is changing every hour. Winters are harsh. The monsoon seasons, the rains drench the complete district. Here is the place where mountains meet the sky.
Buddhist culture in Tawang, the Buddhists flourished here in 7th and 8th century. यहाँ का जो जनजाति वो आर्मी को इतना विश्वास करते कि वो हमें कभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे. हमारे जान के लिए वो त्याग देंगे अपना जान.
On this very special occasion of a decade of relationship with Start Foundation, we wanted to kind of do something which is very special, and therefore we thought that we would associate with the Indian Army and take pride in terms of really celebrating their bravery as they kind of guard our borders across the country.
Myself, Thupten Darge, और मैं यहाँ का तवांग का लोकल आर्टिस्ट हूँ. कंटिन्यू बारिश होता था यहाँ पे, लेकिन कुछ उपाय करके उसके ऊपर हम लोग ने तिरपाल जो होता है वो डाल के मीन्स काम किया.
So this mural is located at about 9,348 feet above sea level.
When you look at that wall, you will look at the valor of armed forces. Aircraft, troops negotiating the snow, helicopters, the Nari Shakti stand tall with pride.
This mural is brought to life by Asian Paints Ultima Protect, which stands for really the harsh conditions it can stand in terms of exteriors.
और जो हमारा दूसरा वाल है वहाँ पे जो 1962 के जो वार हीरोज थे जैसे कि मेजर बॉब कटिंग, सूबेदार जोगिंदर सिंह और राइफलमैन जसवंत सिंह, इनको हमने अपनी तरफ से ट्रिब्यूट दिया है.
So Tawang Memorial it doesn't signify only the sacrifice or the martyrdom of the bravehearts of armed forces. 1962 war, the civilians functioned as porters, they functioned as cooks, they helped in evacuation of casualties. You will find few names of the locals in the war memorial.
Every morning यहाँ का जो monks है वो वहीं पर जाके offer करते हैं the bowl of the water. उसका वही significant होते है कि देश के लिए वो जान दिया गया है, वो एक high realms में जाके एक पैदा हो, जन्म ले.
It's a place of worship. The wall itself talks of valor. And the third wall, history of valor in this area, inspired by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
The OR mess is a space where the soldiers really spend a lot of time, and we have recreated the space with a lot of love and care. The walls really adorn some of the cultural pieces like the Worli art and really creates a home away from home for all the soldiers.
Every time you look at that wall, you get mesmerized with that feeling of oneness and the bonding which exists even in any part of Tawang today.